A very good afternoon, everybody. PHP. I'm here to give a brief introduction about PHP. Hypertext Preprocessor PHP. Now, PHP is the most popular language used for web development, and without arguing, it is the winner in terms of popularity. Now, if you are planning to jump into web building, web development, or modern websites, you need to choose, or you can choose PHP without thinking for a second time. It is the number one programming language when it comes to web development, and there are various reasons to it. PHP was created by Rasmus Ladorf in 1994. You can see the image of Rasmus. Yes, it has been 25 years now. PHP is alive and rocking. The first release was done in 1995, in June 1995. It was then called as Personal Homepage or PHP Tools, Personal Homepage Tools. The initial PHP was a set of CGI binaries written in C. Rasmus Ladorf wrote it to track visits to his online resume. Now the PHP stands for Recursive Initialism, PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. Now there are various versions of PHP which came across from time to time. Now in 1995, the PHP first version, for which the key feature was form handling. Now Perl CGI script PHP 1.0 introduced by Rasmus Ladorf. The expansion is personal homepage or form interpreter. PHP F12, the next version, which came in 1997, which included data conversion and form data export. With light modification in form interpreter PHP2 to handle form entries. PHP3 came in 1998. PHP core is rewritten. PHP parser is rewritten. Zend engine is incorporated. Language core was changed by Zev Suraski and Adi Goodmans, and PHP refers to PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP 4 2000. It came up with object-oriented support, external resource handling, security, regex handling, with features for supporting enterprise-oriented applications. PHP 5, which came in 2004, improved object-oriented model, PDO support, exception handling, XML support. Now PHP core was almost established with this release. Later, 5.x releases have slight enhancement. PHP 7 2016 improved performance twice as that of 5.6, reduced memory usage. The null coalescing operator, return and Solr type declaration, anonymous classes, zero cost asserts. PHP 6 was skipped and PHP 7 was released. There was no clear official mention on why version 6 was skipped, and there are many theories floating around. You can get more information on this going through the linked HN discussion. PHP 7.4, which came in 28 November 2019, with typed properties 2.0, preloading, null coalescing assignment, operator, improved improve OpenSSL, random pseudo bytes, weak references, new custom object serialization mechanism, password hash registry. Now this list presents only the major and the latest release. The feature list is high level summary and not comprehensive. You can please refer the official notes for the complete list. So this is how the different version started from 1995 to 2028. PHP different versions. PHP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 was kept, 7, and then PHP 7.4 came into. And it was developed by Rasmus Ladorf. It is the one of the most popular web development language in the current scenario. Whether you are working on Android application, web applications, website, it is very much, it finds its popularity everywhere. Now in the forthcoming chapters, we are going to discuss why PHP. There are several other languages like Java. When you talk about Java, Java has various importance and very much important, very much interesting. But we should know why PHP, why we need to learn PHP and why we have to opt out for PHP, opt for PHP.